Today we're gonna be unboxing 3-in-1 component video selector. Here is what's in the box. We have instructions and the component box, the video component. As you can tell, it has 3, and then it has 3 in and 1 out. So you can put 3 different devices in this box and then switch each by just pressing the buttons in the front. Made out of metal, well made. See the ports right here. It does output 1080p, so it's HD. Yeah, you know what? This is used to connect all video games, DVDs. If you're an old school video gamer that still have all consoles, this is the box for you, because you can connect all 3 of them at least here, and you will have them all ready to go. So you can plug PS2, PS3, Xbox, original Xbox, a Wii, and then all you have to do to play each is just press the button and then switch when you want to play the other one and then the next one. If you like to watch DVDs, you can put a DVD player here too, and then you have 2 video games and a DVD. You can use it in the monitor too. Like it doesn't have to be on the TV. You can put it on a computer monitor and have all your stuff there, and then connect it, and then you can play with it without having to disconnect and connect. You have 3 consoles, or a DVD player, or a cable box, or anything that has the AV connections. So it's 1080p, and it doesn't have any degradation in the signal, so you should be able to get HD quality picture. So I hope this helped, and thank you.